go. When you remember that, you want to check it. So come down. I go. Top shooter last year.
Yeah, top shooter last year.
It is a big record. The sounds of Leo Magozz, featuring Wins. The track is called Ramari. And I didn't know until right now that Leo Magozz is also bananas about this record. My man, Leo, what's up, man? How you doing, bro?
Malikum, come up from Prometheus.
No, I'm good, man. And of course, thank you for coming through to Power FM. It's always a pleasure to have you here with us, man. I'm really excited about the music. I'm excited about the collaboration that you did with, that's Wins, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's Ramari. You're saying that's what, two years ago?
2 years ago, bro. 2024. The Vatican dropped that record.
And it's still sounding fresh. I want to start from there, man. There's so many songs that you've done that continue to resonate. They don't fade, you know.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
You know, from back in the day, for the fire emoji. No, I'm not lying, Nanas. What's your secret recipe, man? What's your secret sauce? What makes your music continue to move on?
Music, energy is just energy. And even pandiri ndangopiwa chikwana mwari ndochindichingo showcase kuvanhu chingoita zvandinogona. So zvinozoitika nemarecords handizoziva, but that's what I understand. I just know that it's just energy. I'm just giving the energy. And back from creating our records, then we just wanted to experiment in it too. Then it came out. So we're just doing the same thing over and over again.
From what I was trying emoji, it just occurred to me that you've done work with dancehall artists.
Yeah.
You've done work with Amapiano artists, and Fire Emoji, that was some hip hop artists. But you collaborated with that was the Avengers, man. When I think of Blink 4, when I think of Brian Jack, is there a chance could the Avengers can reassemble? Any chance, man? Because I know we love that collaboration, man. Any chance?
It's a good idea.
Okay, I'm putting it out there. Okay, message is already coming. We haven't played your new song, but message is already coming in. Somebody said, hello, DJ. I love Leo Magozz. Leo Magozz, Anogona. 90% Anogona. So that's my favorite song. I'm not the only one.
10%
That's what Richard Rufai. This is the thing. I'll give you a background. Richard Rufai in Hatfield is an avid Power FM listener. And he's saying that you have got it 90%, but that's a good question. Yo, Richard, 10%. Change, yeah.
Yeah, but shout out to you, man.
I thought you change, you do it.
10%.
Okay, more messages are coming in. Hello, DJ. I'm tuning. My name is Petrus Mavera. I'm loving music from Leo Magozz. We haven't played the new one for Valentine's, but you released something else. I think it was late last year. Was it Top Shooter?
Yeah.
Let's talk about that as well, man. What's going on with that? Top Shooter.
Top Shooter is like what I said before about I just like experimenting.
It is the sounds of Leo Magozz, Top Shooter. Yo, this is just amazing music, man. Inspiration behind Top Shooter? What happened? Do not, no one is listening. Tell us what happened, my man. Tomorrow is Valentine's Day.
Top Shooter is talking about Munangari Modulo, you know.
Okay.
So mageto iti machinji patopinda murodo pepe. It's not like it's tingatogona kutopinda mastreets to sing like city lawyer, you know.
Okay.
She's my queen, and then the king. I need to move you on with the ting-a-ling-a-ling. When you want to say, Kukara, we say, do you want to eat and you go feel up? She don't want your affection. You know, she don't want to leave the good. Oh, my deep, I'm a show you what you explain.
need you guys just weigh in, rate this record out of 10. It's Lead Up the Studio, the sounds of Leo Magozz featuring Junior Sprague and D. Leo Magozz.
Yo.
What you see? You knew this song was a hit song, man. You must have known, man.
This song.
I know you knew. Just admit.
It was a good song for me.
You knew.
Cause you know what, bro. Song itakatoya record last year muna May.
Makato relax I'm saying.
It was from my archives, you know.
Young with a hit here, guy. Who's got to
Manager, I don't know you got to put this.
So are you saying they do Deka? Is that what you're saying? Like your talent is so overwhelming. You're like, I don't even understand it, man.
At this level, you know, I don't even understand, bro. Don't go gazira music.
Okay, let me get the messages coming in. Hello, teacher. My name is Karim Sabayana. Here she says, I want to give Leo Magozz 9 out of 10. Karim Sabayana, all the way in Rua. And gives you a lot of fire emojis. And the voice rake, Reno in the Itisa. Okay. I'm gonna stop there. Hello, DJ. I'm tuned in. Leo Magozz on fire. That's a lot of fire emojis. Yeah. Someone said 10 out of 10 minus nothing. Lean in waterfalls, my man. Yo. Hello, DJ. I'm tuned in. I love Leo Magozz. Okay. Okay, you know, jamming our messages. I'm scared to read these messages, but Rumbi and Anna in Hopley. No, it's Anna in Hopley. Says she loves you, man. Anzi, voice rako, wow.
I love you too, eh?
Oh, man. So, Leo Magozz, man, what's next, man?
This year, I'm going to bro. Trushanda, a lot of projects, and Sandato Budi. This project was from last year.
Why was it shelved? Why was it shelved? No, what's the reason for that? Why was the project shelved until now?
I wasn't really feeling it to the level.
Maybe I'm watching Boti competition in Bono. We want problems. You're saying, I know this guy is in
one piece. So.
Okay, so Leo, the song is out, the video is out, it's trending. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
It looks absolutely massive, man. We are running out of time. It's already 3 minutes to 4. It's been an absolute pleasure to have you on Power FM. I can't wait for more exciting music from you. Yeah. But that said, man, there are a lot of people want to talk to you. I mean, 10s out of 10s are coming in. Hello, DJ, I'm tuned in. It's 10 out of 10. Leo Magozz is popping up bangers with Ambassador Gracious in Cheetah. All the messages, there's so much love. This track is dope. Leo Magozz is always winning. Give him his flowers. Mike Kunashe says 10 out of 10. Everybody's loving the collaboration.
Thank you, Mike Kunashe.
So your contact details, man. How do people carry on the conversation online? What about I say?